Hi, my name is Jennifer. I'm a licensed mental health counselor and private practice owner. I give counsel.com a 5 out of 5. For more reviews like this, please click below. So before counsel.com, in private practice, I researched a lot of different electronic health records and didn't use a different one in private practice. In community mental health, I used a program called Avatar, which was a really large electronic health record system that wasn't really super user friendly. It was more designed for a really, really large agency and had much more kind of capacity and functionality than I needed in a small private practice setting. So, in doing different research and kind of looking at, simple practice, I looked at therapy notes, did a lot of things to kind of figure out which one had the most amount of like functional applications that I was looking for. And so I kind of settled on Counsel was the best fit for my needs. So I chose counsel.com because it seemed to be the most user friendly. It had a lot of features that really worked for a private practice. I started as a group or as a solo practice and now switched to a group practice. And its kind of implementation and utilization in both the solo and group practice really worked. I really liked the calendar integration as well as like the scheduling and reminders for clients, making sure that they wouldn't miss sessions. And then recently, I've integrated all of my intake paperwork into their like electronic format so that clients can just fill out everything electronically. When it comes to documentation and billing and kind of accounting, it's really easy to stay on top of. It also has pretty handy kind of graphs and charts when it comes to finances, number of sessions. It kind of keeps track of a lot of things for you so that you can get a really good snapshot of kind of how your business and practice is doing, not only in the moment, but like over the course of the year, over the course of the last 3 years. So I really like that. I also can use it on my phone or my tablet or my computer. And then recently I've switched to becoming a group practice, and I've been able to really easily train the staff that I work with now. So it's been really easy to teach, very easy to learn, and it's just really quite functional. So it's worked out pretty well. So, in getting started with counsel, it really was just a matter of kind of learning the system, which was pretty easy to do. It was just a matter of putting in clients, putting in some data. It works when you're really kind of small practice and small business, and it's been easy to kind of to integrate into a larger practice where I have much more clients. I have staff now. It even has the option of having like you know administrative staff to be able to utilize the system. So it was really just a matter of like learning how the system works. They also have a really great customer service kind of aspect. I have someone who's kind of designed or who's assigned to working with me directly. And so anytime I have a question of how do I fix this setting, or can it work this way, or, how do I put in this form? Um, they have answered questions immediately, really within the same day, if not within the same hour. So having really an accessible kind of customer service person that I can directly reach out to, which I've done a bunch of times throughout the years, has been really helpful. So that was a big part of the process in kind of just learning about the system. And now it's really quite easy to use. So it was a quick learning process. So, and anyone considering using counsel.com, my first recommendation would be to do the trial period. You can try it out. I believe it's for 30 days for free, and you can really get an idea of what it's like to use the system and whether or not its applications really match kind of your needs. So, that I think would be the best kind of first step in really just figuring out whether or not that system kind of would work for your practice. So, that would be my recommendation.